Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your winter arsenal with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best professional-grade snowblowers, chosen for their clearing power, battery efficiency, durability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started and see which machines actually dominate the snow. We're starting with the heavy hitter, the EcoPower Plus SNT2405. This is a 24-inch, 2-stage cordless beast that actually challenges gas machines. It runs on two 56V 7.5 amp-hour ARC lithium batteries, giving it enough juice to clear an 18-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on one charge. It features peak power technology and a variable speed self-propel system with forward and reverse. The steel auger is designed to chew through that icy packed mess the city plow leaves at the end of your driveway, throwing it up to 50 feet away. It's a premium pick for anyone tired of gas fumes and pull cords. We found it's heavy enough to stay planted in deep drifts, though that weight means you'll definitely want to use the self-propel. Feedback suggests it handles wet blue snow without drama, though it might occasionally overload if you try to ram it through a frozen wall of ice too fast. It's quiet enough to use at 6 a.m. without waking the neighbors, and the 4 bright LEDs make night clearing easy. If you have a massive driveway and zero patience for maintenance, this is the one.
Next up is the EcoPower Plus SNT2112. This is a 21-inch single-stage blower, but don't let that label fool you. It's got a steel auger. Most single-stage units use rubber, but this thing uses metal to cut through ice and packed snow 50% faster than older models. It's powered by two 5.0 amp-hour batteries and throws snow up to 40 feet. It's significantly lighter and more maneuverable than its 2-stage big brother, making it perfect for smaller driveways or tight spaces between cars. We're impressed by how this handles Minnesota-style blizzards despite its compact size. It's incredibly easy to start. Just push a button and you're moving. Users report getting anywhere from 20 to 50 minutes of runtime depending on the snow's weight. It's a smart mid-range choice for those who need more than a powered shovel but don't want to store a giant 2-stage unit. The quick fold handle is a nice touch for storage, and the handle-mounted chute adjustment means you aren't bending over in the cold. It's a reliable machine for typical suburban winters.
The Westinghouse WSnow22 is an interesting high-end cordless option that's compatible with SnowJoe batteries. It packs a 1600-watt brushless motor and a 22-inch clearing width. It uses two 24-volt 8-amp batteries to deliver 48 volts of power. The rubber-tipped steel auger is designed to be safe on decks and porches while still being tough enough to throw 840 pounds of snow per minute. It's relatively lightweight at about 45 pounds, so it's easy to move if you have a lot of walkways or a multi-level patio. In practice, we've seen this machine shine in light to medium snow, throwing it about 25 feet. It's a massive upgrade over manual shoveling, though it can struggle if the snow is soaking wet and heavy. Feedback indicates the battery life is decent for a medium driveway, usually lasting around 20 to 45 minutes. The dual LED lights are helpful for late-night sessions. If you're already in the SnowJoe ecosystem or want a lighter machine that won't scratch up your expensive decking, this is a solid, capable choice for home use.
The VOLTASK 48V is a budget-friendly alternative that doesn't skimp on the basics. It's a 20-inch brushless unit powered by two 24V batteries. It's incredibly light, weighing in at just under 23 pounds, which makes it a top pick for seniors or anyone who finds heavy gas machines a nightmare to push. It features a 180-degree directional chute and a throwing distance of 25 feet. It's specifically designed for residential use on patios, decks, and sidewalks, where a massive machine would be overkill. We found it handles about 5 inches of snow without much fuss. It's one of the quietest machines on the list, which is a huge plus for early morning tasks. Some users have reported it occasionally stopping if it hits a particularly dense patch, but it's easy to restart. It's not meant for the great wall of ice at the end of the driveway, but for keeping your walkways clear, it's efficient and easy to store. If you want a user-friendly, ergonomic machine for light winter maintenance, this is a great value.
Finally, we're looking at the PowerSmart 26-inch 2-stage gas blower for those who still want the raw power of internal combustion. It's powered by a 208cc Briggs & Stratton engine and features an electric start for those sub-zero mornings.
This is a wide, self-propelled machine with a 20-inch intake height, built with a steel housing and frame. It even includes handle warmers, which is a high-end luxury feature you usually only see on much more expensive professional units. This thing is a beast when it comes to wet, heavy snow, throwing it up to 45 feet. Because it's gas-powered, you don't have to worry about battery runtime. Just keep the tank full. Feedback suggests it's easy to assemble, though you might need to adjust the tension cables out of the box to get the self-propel system dialed in. It's a rugged, heavy-duty option for large, sloped, or gravel driveways where plastic cordless units might struggle. If you live in a region that gets hammered with double-digit snowfalls, this gas-powered powerhouse offers serious capacity. And that wraps up the top 5 best professional-grade snowblowers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Check the links in the description for more info on these machines. Thanks for watching, we hope you stay warm out there, and we'll see you in the next one.